A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see about the estimation of roads. We'll be dealing with the abstract estimate also in this. So to move on to the question, determine the details of measurement and calculation of quantities of the construction of a new state highway for 1 kilometer length. The formation width of road is 10 meter, average height of bank is 1 meter and side slope 2:1. The metal width is 3.70 meter and 3 coats of metaling are to be provided as per the cross section shown in the figure. The surface shall be finished with 2 coats of painting. So this is what we have the diagram of the cross section of the road. It's a flexible pavement having coatings with asphalt, road tar, formation width is given, earth berm is provided, slopes are provided, soiling is done, inner coat is there, outer coat is there, loose layer compaction is given, top coat is given with stone ballast, and it has a permanent land width of 30 meters. So let's move on to the detailed estimate. To start with, 1 surveying dappling 1 kilometer, the quantity is 1 kilometer. Land acquisition for permanent is 1030, that is 3 hectare. Land acquisition temporarily, it is 12,000 divided by root of 0.3, that is 40,000 meters square. That is depth of the parapet is 30 centimeter. Earthwork and embankment is BD plus SD square, that is 10 into 1 plus 2 into 1 the whole square. Depth is 1000, that makes 12,000. Plantation of grasses on the side slope is 1002, square root of 2 square plus 1, that is 4500 square meter. So move on to the next things. Metaling, preparation of subgrade 1004, that is 4000 meters square. Soiling, for the stone boulders 15 centimeter size 1004.15 at 600 meter cube. Laying and consolidation of the boulders including blinding with local sandy soil is 1004.15, that is 600 meter cube. For the inner coat, it is stone boulders 50 mm size 1003.7.12, it is 444 meter cube. Laying and consolidation of the boulders including blinding with local sandy soil, it is 1003.7.12, that is 444 meter cube. For the top coat, that is a stone boulders 40 mm size 1003.7.12, that is 444 meter cube. Laying and consolidation of the boulders including blinding with local sandy soil, it's 1003.7.12, that is 444 meter cube. Beam or party rating is 1 kilometer. Painting or blacktop surfacing with the first coat of tar. For that, stone grid 20 mm gauge is 1003.7, 1.35 divided by 100, that is 50 meter cube. Painting or binding road tar on road tar number 3, 220 kg, 1003.7, 220 divided by 100, that is 8140 kg. For laying 1003.7, 3700. Moving on with the painting at the second coat of asphalt. Similarly, stone grit here is 1003.7.75 divided by 100, that is 27.75 meter cube. Painting or binding with the road with asphalt of 120 kg is 1003.7, 120 divided by 100, that is 440 kg, 4440 kg. Laying 1003.7, 3700 square meter. Brick edging on both sides in his brick of labor is 1 kilometer. Bridges and culverts is throughout 1 kilometer. Miscellaneous items for the stones and boundary stones throughout 1 kilometer. Formation level pillars 1 kilometer. Formation levels is 1. Road direction is 1. Traffic diversion is also throughout the 1 kilometer. And arboriculture is also throughout the 1 kilometer. So this is how we actually prepare the detailed estimate for the road. Similarly, now moving on to the abstract cost estimate, we talk about the quantity, unit, rate. First, we talk about the item and the particulars of item quantity from the detailed estimate. In addition to that, we will be dealing with the unit, rate, per and amount of that. So to move on, similarly, with respect to the detailed estimate of calculated quantities, we will be seeing here the cost involved in it. So surveying dappling 1 kilometer 300, per kilometer is 300. Land acquisition permanent 3 hectare 3000, per hectare is 9000. Land acquisition temporarily 4 hectare 700, per hectare is 2800. Earthwork and embankment is 12,000 cubic meter, 275 per cubic percentage of cubic meters 33,000. Plantation of grasses on the side slope, it's 4500 square meter, 1 per square meter, that is the 4500. Metalling or preparation of subgrade, 4000 per square meter, 0.50, that is 2000. Soiling coat, stone boulders 15 centimeter, 600 cubic meter, 100 per cubic meter is 60,000. Laying and consolidation of the boulders, including blinding with local sandy soil, 600 cubic meter, 18 per cubic meter is 10,800. Inner coat stone boulders 50 mm is 444 cubic meter, 150 per cubic meter is 66600, 66,600. Laying and consolidation of the boulders included with local sandy soil is same for 444 cubic meter. For per it is 20, so it is 8,880. For the top coat is stone boulders of 40 mm size 444 cubic meter, 155 per cubic meter, 68,820. Laying and consolidation 444 cubic meter. For per meter cube it is 20, so that is 8,880. Beam or patching is 1 kilometer, 1,500 per kilometer is 1,500. For the painting, with the first coat of road 30, for the stone grid 20 mm is 50 cubic meter, 220 per cubic meter is 11,000. For the paint or binding road tar, it is 8.14 ton, 600 per ton is 4,884. Laying 3,700 square meter, 0.90 per square meter, that is 3,330. Painting of the second fort with asphalt, stone grid 12 mm, 28 cubic meter, 220 per cubic meter, 6,160. Painting or binding coat with asphalt 120 kg, 4.44 ton, that is 600 per ton, that is 2,664. Laying 3,700, 0.45, 1,665. Finally, brick edging on the sides, including bricks and labor, is 1 kilometer, 3,500 per square kilometer is 3,500. Bridges and minor culverts, it is 1 lakh per square kilometer is 1 lakh. Kilometer, half kilometer is 1 kilometer of stones throughout, 600 per kilometer, at 600. Formation level pillars 500 per kilometer. Road direction is 300 per kilometer. Traffic diversion 500 per kilometer, and arboriculture is 3,500 per kilometer. That makes a total of 4,50,683. Adding 3 per ton contingencies, it is 12,470. Adding 2% of work charge at establishment, it is 8,313. That makes a grand total of 4,36,467.16, which is rounded off to 4,36,467. So this is how we do the abstract estimate for the particular kind of structure. So we have done this for flexible pavement. Similarly, we'll be also seeing a problem in rigid pavement. Prepare an estimate for the 1 kilometer length of the cement concrete track with 60 centimeter wide tracks of 1.50 meter center to center over 15 centimeter rammed concrete. The figure is shown. This is what it is. 10 centimeter thick rammed concrete, 50 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 90 centimeter on either sides. So to move on cement concrete, the abstract cost is calculated as based upon the detailed estimate of this. Cement concrete laying in tracks is 2,000, 0.6.1 it is 120. Concrete metal with the allowance under cement concrete is 2,000, 0.9, 0.2, 360. In between tracks is 1,000, 0.9, 0.133, it is 120. Laying and consolidation of concrete metal is similar to that of the concrete metal loose. It is same 360, 120, that makes a total of 480. Moving on to the abstract estimate of that. Cement concrete 1:2:4 in tracks including laying is 120 cubic meter at rupees 225 per cubic meter is 27,000. Concrete metal loose with half allowance of compaction under cement concrete tax is 480 cubic meter at rupees 40 per cubic meter is 19,200. Laying and consolidation of concrete metal is 480 cubic meter at 6.50 rupees per cubic meter, that makes rupees 30,120. That makes a total of 49,320. Adding 5% of contingencies and work charge establishment, it is 2,466. That makes a grand total of 51,786. So this is how we do the abstract estimate for the rigid pavement. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. Thank you one and all.